So for number 25 in your assignment, you're going to basically do the same thing that we just did. This is a much simpler equation, so it shouldn't take us as long to do this. We're just doing x squared, and then we're going to add 3 onto it. So whatever this x is, we're going to square it and add 3. You can probably do this in your head. What I would be doing for this one is I would say, what's negative 3 squared, and then plus 3 onto it. So what's negative 3 times negative 3? Is 9, plus 3 is 12. What's negative 2 squared? Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, plus 3 is... What's negative 1 squared? Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1, plus 3 is 4. What's 0 squared plus 3? 0 times 0 plus 3? That's 0, and then plus 3 would be 3. Yep, you see what we're doing here? And then we're going to take this and graph it. So if you don't have graph paper, there's graph paper in the drawer over there. Or you could draw yourself a graph and put some tick marks on it. And I'm just going to make my graph. I'm not going to make it go all the way up to 12. Well, maybe I'll do this 7 though. So negative 2 comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there's my first point. Negative 1 comma 4 0 comma 3. Right, and then draw your other points once you get those other points tabulated, and then go through and talk about x-intercepts, y-intercepts, line of symmetry, max, min, vertex, all that fun stuff. Okay. Spoiler alert, you need to finish your table, but your graph's going to look like this. Does this graph have any x-intercepts? It does not. There are no places where this graph crosses the x-axis. So when you get to the x-intercept part, you can just write none. There are no x-intercepts for this graph. Okay, so finish up that table, draw the graph, and then do the analysis like we did today. Write down what your y-intercept is. If there's a line of symmetry, draw the line of symmetry. If there's a vertex, write down what the vertex is. If there's a max or a min, write that down. Just practice exactly what we did today. All right, that'll get you started there.